Good evening, all. I was asked to do a reading on a young man, Ryan Shtuka, 20-year-old from Canada. He's been missing since February this year. Okay, so connecting in with Ryan's energy, the feeling is that he was in an atmosphere of partying the evening he went missing. He was with a group of young people. They were drinking. He had alcohol in his system. From there, he did journey forward into the cold night air. Along the way, he encountered some other people. The feeling is that he was not familiar with these people. Okay, and you can see the pendulum is tapping Ryan's arms, and what is being felt is that he was dragged by his arms. Okay, so some kind of altercation took place. Some words were thrown out that created a very heated situation. And it brought violence of some sort. The feeling is there could have been a weapon involved. Some kind of weapon, something sharp, possibly a gun, but it feels more like something sharp. Okay, so violence came. So again, I just keep hearing or feeling he was dragged around by his arms. And he was taken, his body was taken more off of the mountain and placed in some kind of ditch or darkness, bin, bay, channel, dark channel. Okay, it does feel like there could be some kind of shelter above it, so it's not right in the open. This is where his body was placed, and Okay, so the feeling is they manipulated him. He, in his mind, was feeling he didn't know what to do. He knew that he had to struggle to get out of this situation. However, he had to succumb to whatever hold they had on him. He had to just let whatever happen, happen. And then death came to him. Okay, and again we go down more in the ground part or the earth. Okay, and I just am hearing not so high in the air like the mountain, not in the mountainous terrain. Let's go to the mountain. We'll see that there's a no there when you go near the mountain energy and then venture more downward. Okay, a place of darkness, shadow. Okay, drawing into ditch area or basement area, strangely, but that kind of feeling. Okay, so now we're connecting more with Ryan. So he words, all right, words come like these searches. He's hoping that this search does conclude and that his body is found, and so that I do see a torn heart, like you know, that there can be some repairing of the grief in whatever way, manner that is possible for this case, and that it concludes, that book can be shut. I mean, like we hope for all these cases, right? But take it to the world, okay, is a feeling that this search needs to continue. And of course, he, you know, whatever way people can do that, put out that energy. And okay, and the feeling is that his friends are blameless in this. They weren't aware of what happened. They're speaking the truth. This search may come to closure. Okay, so there is that percentage. It does sound like could be a long time before this does conclude. But there's that hope, and there is that possibility, a greater possibility that something will come around, because it feels like this young man disappeared into thin air. Did he disappear into thin air? Okay, so you can see he didn't. Are there any clues around? See if there's anything. Okay, again, down farther, search. Okay. There was something else that this person asked about, hit by car. Was he hit by a car, hit and run, or someone, you know, and his body placed somewhere? Okay, so no. Okay, so there was no car or vehicle that entered this scene, right? Okay, well, let's see. Anything else with Ryan right now? Okay, so it does feel like this is concluding and ending, and we will hope for the best for this situation, as all cases, that so that people can move forward into healing and love and light. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye now.